Against a flat grey sky, a bright red heart hangs suspended, pierced cleanly by 3 downward-driven swords. Rain falls in straight, merciful lines. With no figures or scenery to soften the blow, the 3 of Swords confronts us with the mind's sharpest truth, sorrow named honestly. This is the moment when understanding cuts through illusion, and in cutting begins the work of healing. The heart is the central symbol, archetypal, generous, unmistakably human. Its redness asserts vitality even in pain. This is not numbness, but living feeling finally allowed to speak. The wound is direct, not dramatic. It is the clean hurt of truth acknowledged after long avoidance. The heart's size and simplicity remind us that grief is universal, shared across all personal stories. The 3 swords are the second symbol. They do not graze the edges, they meet in the center. Each blade represents a form of painful clarity. The truth spoken aloud, the realization admitted inwardly, and the fact revealed by circumstances. Together, they triangulate a reality that can no longer be postponed. Though they pierce, they do so precisely, the kind of cut that can be sutured. A crooked wound festers, an honest one can heal. The third symbol is the rain. It falls steadily, without violence, washing the scene. Rain is mercy, the sky's way of releasing accumulated tension. Here it expresses sorrow's cleansing quality, the gentle insistence that what hurts must be allowed to flow out. The rain cries on our behalf when we cannot. It's purification in motion. The card's lack of ground forms the 4th symbol. The heart floats in air, unmoored. This captures the initial disorientation of pain. No footing, no narrative, no immediate sense of what comes next. The tarot honors that suspension. We are not required to function during the first honest moment of hurt. The grey sky is the 5th symbol. Grey takes no sides, it refuses exaggeration and denial. It holds the space for truth to be witnessed exactly as it is. Where the 2 protected balance through restraint, the 3 protect dignity through accuracy. It refuses to let fantasy distort what must be faced. In readings, the 3 of Swords signals heartbreak, loss, disappointment, or painful clarity. Yet it is not cruelty, it is surgery. It marks the moment sorrow becomes truthful enough to be released. The cards reassure that what is acknowledged can heal, and what is named can be tended. The 3 of Swords teaches that clarity and compassion are twins. When we stop lying to ourselves about our pain, healing begins.